guys, welcome back. My name is Sarah and I am here to show you guys how to make a soda can tumbler. So I have actually not finished one completely, but I have glittered a few. I am going to attempt to make a Dr. Pepper can because I'm pretty sure that has to be the most popular can I've seen around. A little bit of alcohol. I love these pump jars. They have changed my life. So I probably didn't want to clean it off right away because I'm going to do some things with this pink. I'm going to tape off the top and the bottom. Got it. It's like the tiniest bit of ring. I don't usually like when the tops and bottoms of tumblers are taped off and left stainless, so I'm interested to see if I love or hate how this turns out. I almost ripped that tape long enough to do the top and the bottom, so I'm pretty impressed with that. If you guys are in the market for painter's tape, I've started using frog tape and I love it. I feel like my lines are a lot crisper. I don't know if I would say it's easier to use. I feel like that in that aspect are the same, but tearing it is a lot easier too. I feel like I tear it straight more, and the other stuff, the cheap blue Amazon stuff that I get, I'll rip it and it'll go like all the way up. I'm going to apply my glitter with UV resin. It's a really dark color, so chances are it's gonna cover it pretty good. Sure, glitter's ready to go. I don't know where you guys would get canned tumblers normally. I don't know any tumbler sellers that really sell them anymore, but right now, while supplies last, the glitter guy has them. I think they're right now $100 for a 24 pack, and that includes shipping in the continental US. Hawaii and Puerto Rico and Alaska are really expensive. So I think those states get like a big discount. I'm pretty sure we're set up for a $25 discount on those ones. Highly suggest running and grabbing some because I do know this is what my 5th summer doing stainless steel tumblers. Since the cans came out, they have always been very popular in the spring and the summer. And like I said before, Dr. Pepper is absolutely always number one that I see done. All right, let's see what the glitter does. Yeah, we did not need to base coat this at all with Anchorman. This was perfect. I glittered over top of where my tape starts and ends, so I don't know where my tape starts and ends. But I'm gonna find it. I mean, it's gotta be on the inside or something. But I'm gonna cure this for a few seconds and just get it like kind of stuck in there. And then I'm gonna pull my tape. I don't want it to cure too much. Let's take my glove off actually, because I feel like I'm about to perform surgery on this can. You just sit there for a second, light. Let's see if this tape's gonna come off or not. Really appreciate a tidy line. All right, one's off. Oh, I can sit it down because the bottom's not glittered. I didn't entirely think this through, but that doesn't seem to matter because I'm a genius. Oh no, I messed it up a little bit, but we can probably fix that or hide it. Cured it a little too much for tape pulling, but I think we can fix that top. Big guy back out. Yeah, that's so little at the top that came off. I'm just going to, when everything's done, probably line it with like a very tiny piece of vinyl or washi tape. Guys, don't leave your UV resin out near your light that is actively on. Actively on, those are two of the same thing, isn't it? All right, so I'm just gonna cover the whole thing in UV resin now. My 2-cup turner is not nearly as steady as my bigger ones. So I do use UV resin to apply my glitter and seal a lot of my glitter, but I won't use it as my last coat. This will get eventually one day covered in epoxy. But it does save a ton of time in between layers for designs that, or even if you're just doing a single glitter cup. I am just trying to move the resin I already have on the cup around as much as I can, because there are spots that don't have any at all, but they're very small. Cure it some, well, cure it all. That's while it's on there, let's just go the whole way. Yay! This is so much fun! And my whole thing came right out. I didn't have to fish it out of there or nothing. I kind of skipped a step in my whole video, and I'm just going to show you guys how to put it back together, which is super simple. You just kind of screw the lid on. So this is the 17-ounce can that we have up on the Glitter Guy website since I have it out. I thought it looked a little too funny as a Dr. Pepper can, so I went with the small one. But it comes with this little neat straw. I don't know what's neat about it, but wrong straw. It was a 50-50 shot. So these are also, I'm pretty sure, leak proof. I don't know if you held it upside down, would it come out the straw, but what I'm getting at is these should be really good for kids. This is the point where you would make the decision on what you're gonna put on it. A Dr. Pepper logo or a fun Dr. Pepper quote. I see them all over the place. Call me pretty and feed me Dr. Pepper. Epoxy it and it's all done. Well, if you guys like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe so you can always see everything else that we put out on our channel. I hope you had a great time and have a great day.